In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have your Gmail connected so you can send emails directly from your GoHighLevel account with reliable delivery. Start inside your GoHighLevel workspace. From the main dashboard, head to Settings. This is where all the sending and integration options live. Once you're in Settings, look for Email Services. That's the area dedicated to setting up how your messages go out from the platform. Next, choose Add Service. You'll see a form appear. Click the blank provider field to open the list of available email services, then select Gmail. This tells GoHighLevel that you want to use Google servers to send your emails. You'll now be prompted for two key details: your email address and a password. In the email field, enter the full Gmail address you want to send from. For the password, this is important. Do not use your normal Gmail password. Gmail requires something called an app password for third-party tools like GoHighLevel. An app password is a special one-time code generated by Google that lets a trusted app send emails on your behalf without exposing your main password. If you haven't set that up before, open your Google account security settings in a new tab. Under Security, make sure two-step verification is turned on for the account you're connecting. This adds an extra layer of protection and is required before Google will let you create app passwords. Follow Google's prompts to enable two-step verification using your preferred method, such as an authenticator app or your device. Once that's enabled, go back to the same security section and find app passwords. Create a new app password for Mail. You can label the device or app name in a way that helps you remember it's for GoHighLevel. Google will generate a 16-character code. Carefully copy that code and keep it private. This is the value you'll use in the password field. Back in GoHighLevel, return to GoHighLevel, confirm your Gmail address is correct, and paste the app password into the password field. That's all you need on the GoHighLevel side for Gmail. If you don't see the app passwords option in your Google account, it may be because two-step verification isn't fully set up yet, or for work accounts, your administrator has restricted it. With your email and app password in place, your Gmail service in GoHighLevel is ready to go. You can now continue building campaigns and communications, knowing your messages will send through Gmail securely and reliably.